Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll solve a mixture and alligation problem. This is a classic CAT problem. I'll tell you a trick on how you can solve this problem in under 5 seconds in your examination. So I've already solved this, but I'll show you again on how you can solve this, and using a very simple trick of mixture and alligations, you can solve this problem in under 5 seconds. So let us look at the problem. So the question says a solution of alcohol and water contains 30% alcohol by concentration. Okay, so it is basically saying that we have a container which contains a solution of alcohol and water. There is alcohol mixed with water, and in that particular container, alcohol concentration is 30% and the rest is water. Okay, so this is container 1. Let's try to draw it simultaneously so it is more clear. So this is, let's say, our container 1. Okay, this is container 1. This one has 30% alcohol and the remaining is water. Okay, so this is container 1. Now it says if 20 ml of water is added to this solution, concentration of alcohol becomes 24%. So find the initial quantity of alcohol water. Okay, so now what it's saying is that in this particular solution we have added another solution. This is B and this has only water. Okay, this is only H2O, this is only water, and the quantity of water here is 20 ml. Okay, so now when these two are mixed, let's say this was X ml, okay, or let's say this was Q1 ml, this is Q2. So Q1 plus Q2 would be the final quantity of the solution, that would be in C, right? So if A and C are mixed, we'll have Q1 plus Q2 as the quantity, and since this is water, the concentration of alcohol will be reduced in C, right? So I hope you're able to understand with this diagram that what will be the final result, or what should be the expected final result in container C, right? So in container C, the quantity would be Q1 plus Q2, Q1 plus 20, right? And concentration of alcohol would be lesser as compared to that of that in A, right? So this is something that would be going on in container C. Now let's see how we can solve such a problem in 10 seconds with a very simple trick. Now what we need to do is, we basically need to write the concentration of alcohols. Okay, so I have container A, I have container B. Concentration of alcohol in container A is 30%. In container B it is 0%, right? There is no alcohol in container B, it's only water. Now when these two are mixed, what it's saying is that when these two solutions are added, the alcohol concentration becomes 24%, right? So in this container, as I mentioned, when we are mixing these two solutions, the concentration of alcohol will reduce, and that has reduced from 30% to 24%, right? So the mixture has 24% alcohol, right? Now this is a very simple trick of mixture and alligations. What we need to do is, we need to subtract the bigger value from the smaller values. In this case, 30 minus 24 would be 6, 24 minus 0 would be 24, right? So let's say initially here quantity was Q1, over here it was Q2, right? This is what we have assumed. So Q1, from this chart, there's a deduction that we make, and that is Q1 by Q2 is equals to 24 by 6. That's it. This is a simple trick that you can use to make this reduction. Okay, now Q2 we know is 20 ml. Q1 we can find using this. This would be 4. So Q1 comes out to be 4 into 20, that is 80 ml. Right, now Q1 is 80 ml. In 80 ml, 30% is alcohol. So 30% of 80 ml is 120 times 120 by 5 is 24. So 24 ml of alcohol is present in container A, and the rest is water. So this is a very simple trick you can use in mixture and alligations to find out such problems, to solve such problems. I hope this was helpful. If this was helpful, do like this video, do subscribe, and also leave a comment on how you find this explanation. I'll see you guys in the next problem. Thank you so much.